read. So, continuing with Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela, Chapter 1, Text 68. Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. So, Dui Rupe Haya Bhagwanera Prakash Eketa Prakash Haya Areta Vilas. The personality of Godhead exhibits himself in two kinds of forms, Prakash and Vilas. So these are the expansions of Krishna are in these categories. The Supreme Lord expands his personal form in two primary categories. The Prakash forms are manifested by Lord Krishna for his pastimes, and their features are exactly like his. When Lord Krishna married 16,000 queens in Dwarka, he did so in 16,000 Prakash expansions. Similarly, during the Rasa dance, he expanded himself in identical Prakash forms to dance beside each and every gopi simultaneously. So Krishna, he expands himself and he has many, many expansions. When he expands himself to look same like Krishna, those expansions are called Prakash expansions. So the examples given here is when he married the 16,108 queens of Dwarka, he expanded himself 16,108 times. And those expansions are called Prakash expansions because they looked exactly like him. Two lotus hands, lotus eyes, exactly like him. And so that's why they're called Prakash expansions. Same, he expanded himself also during the Ras Leela. It was not that there were millions of gopis and only one Krishna. No, he expanded himself in between so each gopi was thinking, oh, Krishna's dancing only with me. He gives personal attention. So people who try to imitate the Ras Leela, they can't expand themselves, though. But Krishna can. He expanded. Okay, and then when the Lord manifests his Vilas expansions, however, they are all somewhat different in their bodily features. So Vilas expansions means his form looks different. Not like, it doesn't look like how Krishna's original form looks. So Lord Balaram is the first Vilas expansion of Lord Krishna. And the four-handed Narayan forms in Vaikuntha expand from Balaram. There is no difference between the bodily forms of Sri Krishna and Balaram, except that the bodily colors are different. Similarly, Sri Narayan in Vaikuntha has four hands, whereas Krishna has only two. The expansions of the Lord who manifest such bodily differences are known as Vilas Vigrahas. So Balaramji, he's the first expansion of Krishna, and he doesn't look like Krishna. Krishna is blackish, Balaramji is whitish, Although they both are God, there's no difference. There's no difference between Balaram and Krishna. They both are God. And because Balaram is coming from Krishna himself, no? He's Krishna's first expansion. Only the mood of Balaramji is different. Mood of Balaram is to serve and mood of Krishna is to enjoy. So he is known as a Vilas expansion because he looks different than Krishna. And then the four-handed Narayan forms, they are all Krishna. But because they look different than him, they are called Vilas expansions. Vilas Vigrahas. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Ekai Vigraha Yadi Haya Bahurupa Akarita Bheda Nahi Ekai Swarupa. Mahishi vivahe yaiche kailaras. Iha ke kahiye Krishnera mukhya prakash. When the personality of Godhead expands himself in many forms, all non-different in their features, as Lord Krishna did when he married 16,000 queens and when he performed his rasa dance. Such forms of the Lord are called manifested forms, Prakash Vigrahas, as we just read earlier. So Krishna looks as himself. These are all Prakash Vigraha and expansions of Krishna. Chitram Baitadekena Vapusa Yugapat Prithak Graheshu Asti Sahasram Striya Eka Udavahat. It is astounding that Lord Sri Krishna, who is one without a second, expanded himself in 16,000 similar forms to marry 16,000 queens in their respective homes. This verse is from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, Chapter 69, Text 2. So Krishna is actually one without a second, no? Because he's God. There's no two gods, there's only one God. And yet he's expanding himself into 16,000 forms which look exactly like him. So then, isn't that inconceivable to our limited mind? You know, we are like, oh, how can he do it? But then again, the thing comes, why can't he do it? He's God, so he can. It's inconceivable to us. Inconceivable because we have a limited mind. It's material. Krishna is God. He's unlimited. Text 72. Raso savaha sampravrato gopi mandala manditaha yogeshvarena krishnena tasam madhye dvayor. When Lord Krishna, surrounded by groups of cowherd girls, began the festivities of the Rasa dance, the Lord of all mystic powers placed himself between each two girls. This verse is also quoted from Srimad Bhagavatam 10:33-3. So this is the description of the Rasa dance. When the gopis were there, Krishna expanded himself. He placed himself two gopis and one Krishna in between. So for every two gopis, one Krishna, and each gopi is thinking he's dancing with me. That is his inconceivable power. So, and then we think we are God, but we can't expand ourselves. You know, we can't. Although we may want to. Oh, I have so much work to do. I have so many desires to fulfill. I wish I could expand myself. But we are not able to. Although there are some mystic yogis, they can expand themselves up to, I can't remember, into maximum 8 times or something. And that also only the same form, cannot be different forms. A mystic yogi who have those powers, they can. But I think, 8 times or something. Anyway, pravishtena grihitanam kanteswa nikatam striyaha yam manyera nabhastavad vimana shakta sankulam devokasham sadharanam ati autsukya vritatmanam tato dundu bhayo nedur nipetu pushpa vatsayaha. When the cowherd girls and Krishna thus joined together, each girl thought that Krishna was dearly embracing her alone. To behold this wonderful pastime of the lords, the denizens of heaven and their wives, all very eager to see the dance, flew in the sky in their hundreds of airplanes. They showered flowers and beat sweetly on drums. This is another quotation from Srimad Bhagavatam 10:33, 3-4. So each gopi thought Krishna is just embracing me. And there were so many gopis, and each of them is seeing. And because Krishna has expanded himself, and to see this, so many demigods and their wives were watching from the sky. And then they were showering flowers. They were singing songs. They were providing the musical instruments for Krishna's dancing. Like when we hear, oh, something wonderful is happening, let me go see, let me go see. You know, so like snow is very rare in Taiwan. It's only on the mountain peak. So some of us will say, let me go see the snow is there this winter. So we'll go see. We want to see something which is like wonderful. So here the demigods also wanted to see, oh wow, Krishna is dancing with the gopis, let me go see. You know. So text 75. Anekatra prakatata rupas yaikasya yaikada sarvata tatswarupaiva saprakash itiryate. If the numerous forms, all equal in their features, are displayed simultaneously, such forms are called Prakash Vigrahas of the Lord. This is a quotation from the Laghu Bhagavatamrita 1.21 compiled by Srila Rupa Goswami. So Srila Rupa Goswami, who is one of the 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan, has written many Bhakti Shastras. One of the Bhakti Shastra is Laghu Bhagavatamrita. And then he's mentioning that when Krishna expands himself, and one can see these, and at the same time he has expanded himself, and they're all looking the same, then these are Prakash forms. As he did in the Rasa dance, as he did with the 16,108 queens. In each and every palace with his queen, Krishna was there as himself. Not that he would go to one palace one day, another palace another day, another palace another day. No, he was with all the queens every day. So, Ekai Vigraha Kintu Akare Haya An Aneka Prakash Haya Vilastaranam. But when the numerous forms are slightly different from one another, they are called Vilas Vigrahas. So they're slightly different, like the Narayanas in Vaikuntha. They're slightly different than Krishna. They have 4 arms, and then in each planet there will be different combination of what where they are holding the lotus, the chakra, the gada, and the what's the 4th? The conch shell. So they're slightly different. So they are called Vilas Vigrahas. Text 77. Swarupam anyakaram yatasya bhati vilasataha prayenatma samam shaktya sa vilaso nigadyate. When the Lord displays numerous forms with different features by his inconceivable potency, such forms are called Vilas Vigrahas. This is another quotation from Laghu Bhagavatamrita 1.15. So he is expanded, but they are different. And he expands by his inconceivable potency. We cannot understand. Inconceivable. We do not have that power. Krishna has it. He can do it. He has that capability to do it. We do not have that capability to expand, and that also to look a slightly different. The mystic yogi who can expand themselves, they can expand only looking exactly the same. They cannot have that slight different looking. No. But Krishna, he can expand unlimitedly. Unlimitedly. There's no limit. So text 78, Yaiche Baladeva Paravyome Narayana Yaiche Vasudeva Pradyumnadi Sankarshana. Examples of such Vilas Vigrahas are Baladev, Narayana in Vaikuntha Dham, and the Chaturvyuha, Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna, and Anirudh. So Balaramji, Baladev, Narayana in Vaikuntha Dham, and Chaturvyuha is Lord Balaram. He expands into Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna, and Anirudh. They are called Chaturvyuha. Chaturvyuha. So these are like all the expansions of Krishna. Shall we stop here for today? We can read this one tomorrow then.
So even Ramji and everybody comes in the Vilasa Vigraha.
Vilas, slightly different. Yeah, Lord Ramachandra would be in the Vilas.
Vilasa Vigraha.
Yeah.
And how about the Brahma Vimohan Leela?
Yes, Brahma Vimohan is going to be, but Krishna, he showed himself as different cows and.
Yeah, that's why I was confused. That's not Vilas, right?
Yeah, that
that's not even Prakash.
No, that's not Prakash at all. But is it Vilas? But he's expanding his cowherd voice, and I'm not sure, you know. I'm honestly not sure of what we would call those expansions. Yeah.
Because he also expanded as the cow or the calves.
Yes.
And also as all the cowherd boys. So first I thought that it was Vilas, but then no, it can't be.
Yeah.
Because
I don't know. I don't. I'm not sure.
Okay, no problem. But Ramji is Vilas.
Ramji should be Vilas, yeah.
And Narsimhadev, Ramji, everybody's Vilas.
But it's writing slightly different. So, but then Lord Nishingadev is quite different. So I'm not sure, you know. I could look more into it.
Okay.
Yeah, I could look more into it. Then, like, for example, Matsya, Kurma. Then what kind of expansions are they also all Vilas?
Yeah.
You know,
like, Venkateshwar, like Tiru. So are they Vilas or are they like even Jagannath?
Yeah, we can look into that.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Chaitanya Charitamrita ki Jai, Shla Prabhupada ki Jai, Gauri Premanande, Hari Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.